What's good? Welcome to my channel. So as you can see here, we're learning everything in the profit, you know what I'm saying? We're running AUDJPY, you know what I'm saying? I took this trade. This trade was swinging trade, you know what I'm saying? I've been swinging this trade for like today is like day 9 swing this trade, you feel me? And I'm in a profit with KDJPY as well, as you can see here. KDJPY. Yeah, this one I took it on Friday. You know, I took it on Friday with my team, but on Friday they didn't move that much, and we were like, oh, we already moved like half of the profit. You know, half of the profit. But you know, I was like, let's just continue swinging this trade until on Monday because the profit was not good. So what I just did was I just let me show you what I did. I decided to lock the profit on Fridays. I decided to lock the profit. As you can see here, the profit was locked. I locked some of my profit, and then because I was expecting to keep on swinging this trade on Monday. And you can see here we have NSD as well. NSD as well. This one as well. I've been swinging this one for a couple of days. So I don't like to to mess up my trade. Even though I already hit my TP, I just gonna lock the profit. I can just shift the stop loss straight up to the TP. And if the market is gonna give me more, it's all right, but I have to make sure that my profit is protected. So I'm gonna break down all these trades on the chart. I'm gonna take you guys to the chart and break down all these trades, how I was able to catch these trades. Maybe might help you in other way or another, because you know how we do, guys. How we do out here. We need some information, so I'm here to give you that information for free. And don't forget, if you're new to the channel, you can join our free community on Telegram, so you can be able to receive all my updates every single minute. Before I take the trade, I always make sure I give the setup to my free community on Telegram. So don't miss out. Click the link on my on description below. Join the free Telegram group. It's gonna help you to receive some more updates about the trade that we're about to focus in every day. But before we jump in all this, I would like to walk you through, guys, trading plan. So trading plan is that every day you wake up in the morning, before you jump to the chart, every day you wake up, first you need to think before you start taking some trades and stuff like that. So this is what I do when I wake up in the morning. Before I even open the chart, before I even switch on my computer, I always first make sure I think about what am I looking for today. What am I looking for today? What do I want today? I might be like, no, today I'm here looking for like maybe 2 trades, only 2 trades. And I will see these 2 trades how it goes. Just come to the market and be like, I'm gonna be taking everything, taking no. It's not gonna work like that. So you have to you must have a trading plan. And the other thing is, you have to know that after you take that 2 trades which you got from the market, always remember that as soon as you see the market move, as soon as you see the market move to the profit, like 30 pips, something like 30 pips, it's a lot of it's a lot of move. One thing about the market, making money from the market, it's all about lot size. It's all about lot size. So with 30 pips you can make it even. With only 30 pips you can make it even. So don't mess that out. Don't let that become the loss. Always make sure you protect that profit. You feel what I'm saying? Because sometimes somehow the market it might change the direction and you're gonna miss that 30 pips. So what I always do when this is what I do, me and my team. I always make sure first I log half of the profit, 30 pips. I might log like 15 pips, and the 15 pips I'm gonna let the market keep running with the 15 pips. You know what I'm saying? Easy like that. Don't let your profit become the loss ever, if you know what I'm saying. So let me walk you guys to the chart, and let me show you how I was able to take all these trades, if you know what I'm saying. How I was able to catch all these trades. And guys, as we speak, we also killing US30, guys. I'm also killing US30. Let me show you how US30, like what how we're killing the US30. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, I took the US30 here. I took the US30. I don't know if you can see US30. It's also performing well. You know what I'm saying? So, like, for if you are not if you are not on my group, which if you're not in a group, you're really missing a lot. So let me take you to the chart and show you what I mean by that. How I took all these trades. You know what I'm saying? So right now, guys, as you can see here is KDJPY Francais, and I'm gonna start with the KDJPY because this is what I have right here. The reason why I took KDJPY is just because the reason why is first touch, second touch, 30 touch, stop loss. I just put the stop loss right here, and then we jump in. I give the signal to my team, and then we went into the profit. So this is our first take profit. I think everybody's gonna get out right here because the market, after this point, the market is gonna give a pullback all the way to this point. So as you can see, this is the movement of this market. So I have two main trades which I'm learning. I say we have two main trades which we're in. I'm in this one as well, USD CAD, as you can see there, USD CAD. And USD CAD, as you can see, we took USD CAD around this area, but it's been trying to move up and down, but right now it's kind of entering the profit, you know what I'm saying. So, and this one we're expecting first TP, second TP, if you know what I'm saying. And all these trades, guys, all these trades I gave it to my free community on Telegram. I say make sure don't miss this out. So right now I'm gonna show you how I got this trade right here, which I'm killing it so much, AUDJPY, if you don't say. So I'm gonna show you right here what was my analysis in order to kill this trade right here. Make sure you're watching. This one was first, this one was KDJPY. So now let's check out AUDJPY. So as you can see here, this is a UDJPY. So this is how I got a UDJPY, as you can see here. So as you can see here, this is a UDJPY. Let me show you a UDJPY, and this one we're coming to the profit right now. You look, it's getting to the profit, guys. So a UDJPY here, a UDJPY, as you can see. So this is how I got a UDJPY. Very clear. First touch, second touch, 30 touch. We can see that we got a beautiful rejection right here, and this is where we got in. I said this is where we got in, and you can see the first take profit has been hit. So I was looking for the second take profit, but I'm thinking of taking my profit by now because my profit is, I already locked my profit around this area over here, so which I have nothing to lose in the market. That's why I'm staying in the market, so that I can be able to catch this one. But so far I'm thinking of taking my profit. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna show you how I got I'm gonna show you how I got NSD USD, right? I'm gonna show you how I got NSD USD as well. If I say, I hope guys you're learning everything like that like you're learning everything I do on my channel, because I don't hide anything to anyone. The reason why I don't hide anything from you guys is because I want you guys to become profitable. You know what I'm saying? I want you guys to become profitable traders. That's why I don't hide anything from you guys. So let me take you through and show you how I was able to find USD as well. You know what I'm saying? But make sure you smash that like button if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? That just to support the channel, if you know what I'm saying. And let's continue. So guys, right now I'm gonna show you the reason why I took USD. As you can see here, I took a sell, and you can see the profit also is it's moki, you know what I'm saying, which is beautiful, if you know what I'm saying. So look, the reason why I took it is USD H1, if you know what I'm saying. We got a beautiful that bottom right here. That's the reason why I jumped it in around this area, and I was like, yo, you know, when you go double bottom, yo, it's gonna drop all the way to the point here. But as you can see here, we're about to hit the TP. We are like maybe 10 pips left in order to hit the TP, you feel what I'm saying. So I hope you learn a lot. You feel what I'm saying. You can see how I do it. You can see how I do it. Look at the trade, guys, the one which has been, you know, trying to hit us out. It's coming to the TP, guys. As you can see, USDK, it's coming to the profit, you feel what I'm saying. So guys, that's how I did to take all these trades that you see. So you the judge, if you don't say, you the judge, you can see everything that I do. That's how I do it, guys. And you know, I have more trades, you know, I say, which we're running in a VIP group. We have a lot of trades which we're running, because, you know, guys, I'm a day trader and we trade every day. You know, I say every day I wake up, I look at the market, whatever we find the opportunity we get in, but we always make sure we log the profit. And what you need to know, when there's no trade today, we don't trade. When there's no trade tomorrow, we do not force ourselves to be in the market. And that's how you need to be. You know what I said? That's how you need to be in order for you to become profitable. You need to apply all this, you know, you need to apply all this information in yourself. No trade, I'm not going to force myself to be in the market because I'm saving my capital. There is a trade, I'm going to take the trade, but I'm going to make sure I use the proper risk management according to my trading account balance. You know what I'm saying? Don't fuck up your balance. When your balance doesn't allow you to take a trade with a big lot size, make sure you take a trade using a proper risk management. I mean, like, you need to make sure your account can be able to take up to 10 trades, so that if you lose one, you still got 9 trades left from your balance. If you took another one and get you to the loss, you still have a chance to try 8 trades. You know what I'm saying? Everything I'm telling you guys for free. You would have paid me for this information, but I want you guys to be good. I want you guys to become profitable. I want you guys to make money in the market. I want you guys to be like, to have everything that is good around you guys, because that's what is happening to me. You know what I say? Now I've got the right information. You know what I say? Now I can make money in the forex market with no fear, without any fear. You know what I say? Because I know what to respect, and I know what should I not do. So peace out, guys. I hope you like the video. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you like. See you on next one.